Want to know how to check a number is a Pronic number or not in Java? In this video, I'm going to show you an easy step-by-step guide on how you can do it. Super simple and under a minute, so let's get straight to it. Now, a Pronic number is the product of two consecutive integers. For example, 12 is 3 multiplied by 4. So to find this, in Java, we loop 0 to the number and check if I times I plus 1 equals to the number. So we have used a for loop inside and inside we have used an if statement. So we have used int and equals to 12 like the example. And now if we find such an I, it's a Pronic number, otherwise it's not. Super simple. So it's a simple loop, but it's really effective. You can test different numbers quickly, and this is a nice way to understand loops and multiplication in Java. So I'm just going to show you the code right here. And there you go, super simple and easy. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe and tune in with us for more of these videos. See you in the next one.